Good afternoon. My name is Ndwiga from the Communications Authority of Kenya, and I'm very excited to be here to have attended this training organized by the Finet Institute. Indeed, it was very eye-opening and informative, and more so, I've learned about matters of strategic decision-making when it comes to pension management, matters concerned with data privacy, when it comes to managing data of pensioners, as well as this morning we've just been engaging on personal branding and leadership, which I believe is very important aspects when it comes to pensions and trustees. And therefore, this program comes very highly recommended for anybody who's in any boards or trustees, or even those aspiring to be in these positions, to be able to take it up, as it is very informative and of course will help you get a long way in the journey of matters pension management. Thank you.